As you can see today, it's Wednesday, January 28th. 3 days, I can say, after the ice storm. 3 days we spent inside. Now, that's the first day going back to work. I just wanted to share with you how the traffic is. This is West US 290 toward downtown, toward I-35. As you can see, the traffic is as usual. Too many cars, and it's understandable. I would say it's a little bit light compared to other days. I'm guessing that a lot of people decided maybe to work from home. If there is one thing COVID taught us, was to show us or prove that now a lot of companies can have their employees work from home. Before used to be, I guess, few of them, and now all companies now can work from home, which happened to many of us where companies said work from home. Remember, before COVID, during this kind of weather, used to be where everything was closed. Since many people could not go to the office, could not work from home, but use VPN, then it would be a day off. Basically, productivity down because of the bad weather. But now, I think companies should be happy because ice storm in Texas now should not, of course, it should affect them, but if most of the employees can work from home, that's a good thing. So, as you can see, we're passing Berkman Drive and Cameron Road on US 290 West, and you will see how packed. You still can see on the left side the ice, and as I speak now, I talk to you, temperature shows around 39, 40 degrees. So yeah, it's cold, but not the freezing temperature like dealt with the last few days. So we're happy to show you these images, to share with you, and to show you how traffic is right now. What we usually do, we avoid going on I-35 or going downtown. We usually use the frontage road at this time. But to show you around Austin, so we're gonna try to go all the way toward North Lamar. Then we're gonna take left on Lamar, so we can show you Lamar, north or south Lamar, how traffic is, because it is one of the main roads here in Austin, Texas. So you can see we're approaching I-35, taking the right. That's if you want to go to Southwest 35. As you can see, it's packed. I usually avoid that because it's like a parking lot. And what I usually do, go straight, and that's what I'm going to do. Usually, I'll turn right here. I will exit here, Waco, north for I-35, and then take a left on the frontage road on I-35. But now, I just want to show you Lamar, how Lamar is. Of course, here, it's gonna be a little bit busy. Usually, if I want, I can exit here on airport to avoid, but then there will be a traffic light. Usually, what I do, Let me exit airport here. As you can see, get backed up there. Trying to go through that little to go to North Lamar. Here, usually, if you're lucky, uh, yeah, there will be like a green light, so it's quick. So I usually go on this right side, and I can see on the other side. Yeah, I mean, it's still slow. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. Probably gonna wait a little bit this traffic light, red traffic light, and I'm sure as soon as the green light comes on, it should be a few minutes. So bear with me. I just want to show you. So you can see it's sunny. It's sunny. It looks nice outside, and I'm sure compared to other places where it's it's cold and dark, you know, you won't compare it. It's totally different. So it's still a red light, and now the green light comes on. Let's see how long it's gonna take us to go through. Hopefully we make it, because you know, some people are slow, but what can you do? So on the right here, because there are people getting off or going to Lamar, I mean Airport Boulevard, and as you can see, boom, just made it through the airport. So it gets a little bit here, merges, so you have to be careful. So as soon as I go through this, I'll be on my way toward North Lamar. Yes, you know, as you can see, we showed you yesterday in the afternoon around 5 p.m. Pretty much there was no car on the roads because people worked from home. And now you can see people are going back. I can see in front of me too much traffic, too many cars. But that's expected on Lamar here. But if you want to avoid I-35 for going downtown, this is another way to go. I don't know if you're coming from Pflugerville or Round Rock. If you exit, I think it's 51st Street, and then take a right on the 2222 toward the airport in North Lamar. That would be another way to avoid the I-35 if you're going downtown. So what I usually do here, you can see it's backed up. There are too many cars in front of me. This street is Koenig Lane, and it goes through across North Lamar. It can get busy, and usually I avoid that traffic light and then turn left on Guadalupe. Yes, I turn left on Guadalupe here. And then as you can see, boom, it's green and it's parked in front of me. And then what I do, so I go towards the 51st Street and I turn right there. It takes me to North Lamar, and I save a few minutes for sure. So um, uh, this is Guadalupe. You can see the ice on both sides, and it shows you how bad it was. Thank God it's over, and thank God going back to the offices. And I wanted to share with you the images, and hope that you enjoy it. Yeah, watching us driving through Austin, Texas, going downtown to show you. So like I said, this is Koenig, driving toward 51st Street, and I usually turn right there, and then it takes me to North Lamar, and then I take left on North Lamar. So I guess we'll stop here, and then let you watch what I'm driving through, so that you can see. So it's still red again, and we'll see. So as you can see, so it comes red again here, but let me turn right here, like I said, on 51st Street toward Lamar. Usually wait for a few minutes on this traffic light. It usually takes a few minutes, but we'll see. I mean, look at how sunny it is, and it's very beautiful right now, I can tell you. Yeah, I can tell you this light took longer than expected. I don't know why, but so we just got through. So as you can see, this one we just got on North Lamar. If I take left, that be Guadeloupe, but I keep right on North Lamar. The traffic is not that bad, but I'm sure when we get to 44th Street, 44th Street, I think that's the next one. It's gonna be, yeah, we just stopped, so usually here there's traffic between from here until we get to 38.5 Street. Usually there's too much traffic, but we try to get through. So just so you have an idea, so right now I can see it's green, but it's red. This one just turned green, and I can see the 45th or 44th Street, it's green. So we're moving again, which is a good thing. As you can see, we're moving slowly, but what can you do? Traffic, as everybody's trying to go back to work. So that's 45th Street. It just turned red right now, so we're gonna stop here for maybe for a few minutes. Let's see. Yeah, I think we stopped like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Now it's green again. We're moving again. We just passed the Chili's. For people who knows from our so we're moving toward 38.5 Street. Soon on my left, you will see Central Market in Oklahoma, and people who like barbecue. On the right side, you will see Rudy's and other restaurants. So usually tend to be busy here on 38.5 Street. That's one of the busiest streets in Austin, Texas. Lamar crossing it. Since there is a Seton Hospital, people going on Mopac, people taking Lamar going downtown. So it's moving. I still can see green light, and let's see if we'll be able to go through here. So it just turned red, so we're gonna stop a few minutes or so here. Let's see how long it's gonna take. It's just turned green, and that was 2-3 minutes or so. We just crossed 38. That's 38th Street, actually, not 38.5 Street. So that's 38th Street, and going toward South Lamar. And usually when you pass that street, 38th Street, I tend to be again moving toward downtown. But we'll see. So far, so good. I was expecting to see too many cars, but usually when for people coming from Mopac, either going to UT uh, and other going to downtown. So it tends to be busy. Let's see if I'll be able to go through this 24th Street, I think, green. So we just went through it okay. I think 29th Street, I think. So far so good. Traffic is light. And like I said, the people who just joined now, this is Wednesday, January 29th. After the ice storm, some people stayed inside since Saturday. Sunday was bad. Monday, pretty much people work from home. And Tuesday also was still bad, but okay. Some people decided to stay home from home. So today, Wednesday, first day, people going to back. Schools are open now, which were closed yesterday. So saying we may face another cold weather next week, but since there won't be no rain, it should be okay. So you can see, I still can see green at 24 for now. 24 just turned. All right, so I'm gonna let it here on, see how long it's gonna take us. Right now it's 8:02. Let's see when we become green so that you have an idea how taking Lamar can be a quicker way to go to downtown. But let's see, we'll see. Right now, it's still red, but we'll see. Like I said, this 24th Street can take you to Lamar, so there will be many cars for people who use Mopac from West Austin, Leander, Cedar Park, probably using 183, and then they exit, take this 24th Street, which is one of the roads that can take you to UT. And as you understand, professors, workers, and students going to work, so that it has to be one of the busiest road also. So it's 08, so I mean, it's what, 1 minute, because the watch was so showing when we stopped 8:02 and 8:03 already crossed. So as you can see, I can see skyscrapers in downtown. This is North Lamar. It's sunny, beautiful day. Now it's 37. The cold to many of us, but when it's sunny like this, and I guess you forget that it's too cold. This is too cold for many of us. So I'm gonna turn left on 15th Street, and that's where I'm gonna end the camera. And thank you for your kind attention to follow us now. So pretty much downtown, and as you can see, is turning 15th Street. No, yeah, 15 Enfield. Yeah, it's Enfield on the other side, but it comes 15th Street toward I-35. And I urge you to subscribe and share this video. And thank you, kind attention. See you in our next video. Bye.